Today we will discuss a very significant and authentic and widely accepted theory regarding the formation of the ocean and continents. This is very famous theory that is known as the plate tectonic theory. This is the right explanation, an authentic explanation regarding the various phenomena on the surface of the earth, like the seismic activities, volcanism, and working of the endogenetic forces and exogenic forces. They are all associated with the plate tectonic theory. So why we are discussing, why we are studying this theory? Because two theories. First is the theory of continental drift that was given by the Alfred Wegener, and another theory is the sea floor spreading theory that was given by Harry Hess. These two theories have explained the formation, the movement of the crust, the formation of the continents and ocean, but they have not received wide acceptability among the geographers and among the scholars, because there was some lacuna in this theory. These two theories have not explained wholly the whole process of the continental drift. They were failed to explain the forces which are responsible, forces behind the formation of the continent and oceans. This is the work of several scholars, especially Woodridge Morgan. He has worked on this theory. This theory is made up of two words. One is the plate. Plate is the hard lithospheric slab, and tectonic means the dynamism of the crust. So this theory is known as the plate tectonic theory. So this theory explains the movement of the plates and what factors are involved behind the plate tectonic theory. So there are three types of plates defined. First is the convergent plate. Number two is the divergent plate. Number three is the transform plate. According to this theory, these plates are moving on a plastic state on magma that is known as this place is known as the asthenosphere, which extends from 100 kilometers to 400 kilometers. These plates are moving. Sometimes these plates are moving far from one to another. Sometimes they are coming from one to another, and some plates are sliding past. So these three plates are moving, and due to the movement, due to the convergence, due to the divergence, due to the transform, some features on the surface of the earth are being formed. So now we will see all the mountains and continents and rift valleys, and there are different types of activities like earthquake, volcanoes, and the folding and faulting. These are all taking place due to the movement of these places. Now we have identified 7 large plates and several minor plates. So the major plates are, number one is North American plate, South American plates, Pacific plates, Indo-Australian plates, African and East Atlantic floor plate, Eurasian plate, and Antarctican plate. These are the major plates which are moving, and sometimes they are converging, sometimes they are diverging, and sometimes they are sliding past. And there are some minor plates like Arabian plate, Cocos, Philippines, Juandipuka, Nazuka, Persian plate, Anatolian plate, China plate. There are several plates. Now we have to see what is the outcome. You see, these two plates are moving apart. So they are moving apart, they are going far from one to another. It means some trenches, mid-oceanic ridges are formed due to the divergence of these plates, because magma is unveiled from the interior of the earth, and when this magma solidifies, when this magma cools down, the mid-oceanic ridges and rift valleys are formed. There is a second type of the movement of the plate boundaries. These plates are coming closer from one to another. This is known as the convergent boundary. These plates are colliding each other, folding takes place. The mountain buildings, the formation of mountain, that is done due to the convergence of this plate. For example, due to the convergence of Indo-Australian plate and Eurasian plate, Himalaya were formed. Then the transform plate. दो plates जब आपस में when they are sliding past, जब neither they are going far from one to another nor they are coming closer to each other, ना तो वो दूर जा रही हैं ना वो पास जा रही हैं, बल्कि एक दूसरे से अंदर रगड़ रही हैं, है ना। क्या हो रहा है, एक दूसरे से दिस इज द स्लाइडिंग पास, तो उससे क्या होगा, फॉल्ट्स क्रिएट होते हैं। जब दो क्रस्ट जो है आपस में एक दूसरे से रगड़ा मारते हैं, एक दूसरे को खींचते हैं, तो क्या होता है, व्हाट हैपन कि वहाँ पर फॉल्ट्स बनते हैं। तो सैन एंड्रियास फॉल्ट ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया इज द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द transform boundaries. We have seen the plate movements and their resultant features, types of plates and mechanism of this movement of the plate. So now we are coming to the conclusion that all landforms, they are the outcome of the interaction of internal forces and external forces, endogenetic forces and exogenic forces. So due to this interaction of the internal forces and external forces, various phenomena are taking place, like seismic activities, volcanic eruptions, folding, faulting, warping, bending of the crust, and some new features are formed due to the divergence and convergence of plates. The important thing is that why and how these plates are moving. Now this query is being solved by the Woodridge, Morgan and his team, and the salient feature of this theory that they have explored the driving force behind the movement of the plate, that is convection current. This convection current is responsible for the upwelling of the magma from the interior of the earth, and this convection current is generated due to the radioactivity in this interior of the earth. So this is the right explanation of the movement of the crust, and this plate tectonic theory explains the force responsible for the movement of plate. Due to the authentic explanation, this theory is still unchallenged and non-disputed. Thank you very much.